little popsicles and some frozen Capri Suns. It's hot out here. What do you think? You got a little popsicle action? Yeah, absolutely.
Yes.
There you go. We froze them too. What do you think about that? It's pretty awesome, huh? And, so pretty big hit. Pretty big hit.
Everybody good? Yeah. Everybody got popsicle, Capri Sun?
Yeah.
You have frozen Capri Sun? Want to cool down? All the children got. Thank you. Anyone else? There you go, my dear. Want me to open it for you?
Are you good? Okay.
Thank you.
There you go. All right.
There you go.
Everybody's got one. All right.